Alright. This one here is for the hustlers, for the resellers, the retailers. If you got a shop or you wanna hustle, selling stuff, you know what I'm saying? Then I found a site where you can buy stuff cheap. It may not look like it's cheap, but once you apply that discount code, oh my God. Check this out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this one right here. And yes, this did work. I saved almost $4,000. It was about 42. I forgot how much I saved, but it was something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them their props for that. But I copied the code. Go to boy. I ain't really interested in no watches. Motherfuckers want to buy shit. It's school, back to school, so you know what I'm saying, backpacks and luggages and stuff, you know what I'm saying. Let's see. Something that I know I can sell easily. I can sell shit out of these bags. Like, I know I can get about $300-400 for that. I'm gonna do something easier, something that I know that I can get off real fucking quick. Oh, excuse my language. We're gonna go with these. Now let me see what's on the next page. As long as you get 50 of these, or 50 of anything on the site, as long as your items total up to 50 or more, you're going to get 60% off once you apply the code. So right now, my total right now is 4,725. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here to this right here, and I'm gonna put in this discount code I just copied. Reseller unintrusive. Wow. It just knocked off $3,543. My total right now is $1,881. Now, I can go back and sell this same product. I go back. So it sells for $94.50. I got 50 of them. I know I can get about $120 a bag, maybe $130. Or even if I sell it at $94.50, I'm going to still make more than what I spent. I'm gonna make anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000 profit just off of this alone. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. This shit